finishing today and best of love. Angie, you will be missed. My last video, I talked about work and mental health. I talked about if you are working in an environment and you're not conducive with, will you want to stay or to leave because of your mental health? To me, I chose I will leave because of my mental health. I'm here to let you guys know that today I'm quitting my job. Yes, I am quitting my job because my mental health is most paramount to me. Welcome again to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe and please leave me a beautiful comment. So today is my last day at work and I'm so excited that I am leaving. If you've also noticed, for a while now, I have not been posting on YouTube frequently. And maybe this is an opportunity for me to focus more on my social media page and look for a part-time job that will give me enough time. So it's time to go get ready. So I'm ready now and I'm about to hit the road to, yes, my office. Today is the last day working in this particular organization. I can't wait to leave. So I bought some stuff for some very nice people. I bought this cake from Tesco's and I bought this small one for my Nigerian student friends. They're just like a kid brother to me. And I bought some stuff like packet rice for him and the one I'm going to have as well. So yeah, while I'm waiting for the light to go green, I just put my stuff back. It's 11 minutes to 9. I'm supposed to start at 9 o'clock, but it doesn't matter if I go 5 minutes late. Today's my last day after all. Just wait. You know what it's like when you leave a job that you don't like, the kind of relief you get. That's the kind of relief I've got. I'm so excited that I'm leaving, seriously. My previous job before this one, I learned a lesson and I vowed never to fall victim again. Once I notice anything I don't like, I've got the skill, I'll just move. No matter how British you are, once you're African British, no matter how you are, you will definitely have that small discrimination in a workplace. Diversity and inclusion is not just by theory, it has to be practical as well. When it's practical, that is when a work environment becomes inclusive. That is the real fact. Yeah, so I'm close to my work. That's the car park, so I'm just gonna park there and then walk back to my office. I won't be able to video because they have this strict, you know, whatever, that you don't have to video and stuff like that. So that's why I've showed you what I bought for my Nigerian master degree students. Very nice guy. So I'm just gonna pay. I think it's better I go and look for where to park first before I come and pay money. This place is already jam-packed, it's full. I don't want to park where it will be difficult for me to drive out when I'm about to leave. There was a time I parked and when I finished from work, it was hard for me to get out because of where because of the people that parked close to me. I couldn't, if not for one guy that came and directed me, I would have just waited until when the person or the owner of that car finished from work. Anyway, so yeah. So I'm done with work today. As in, I've left my place of work. I'm going to the African shop somewhere in Hume to get yam and plantain, which is our dinner tonight. Right guys, I just come back from work. I finished early today. Remember in the morning I said I was finishing today and quitting. So surprised, look at what I got. Nice flower, smells nice. And I also got a drink. Nice. That one. And some Swiss chocolate from Marks and Spencer. I believe they bought me this one from Marks and Spencer. Okay. Let's take a look at the card, what is written. So this is the card they gave me. So yeah, best of love, Angie, you will be missed. Wow. Here it says here again, all the best, Angie, on your future. Woohoo! Nice, 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 nice. All the best for your new job. Good luck, Angie. You know, these are, everything's written on here. I'm not going to say everything. Anyways, so today is my last day at my workplace. I'll be traveling. When I come back from my travel, I'll then look for another job, but this time around part-time job, really part-time. I'm done with this full-time job and I really need to focus on my social media page. So yeah, this, in fact, I will say thank you to these guys. I didn't expect this at all. I didn't expect them to get me stuff, but they've done really well. Thank you to my former place of work. I appreciate you guys. And yes, time to start the whole video. I'm rocking. I'm going to take 2 months off from working. Just relax. If you stayed up to this point, you are the very VIP. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next one.